Getting that positive vibe going on is a gift for all of us. But due to different circumstances, challenges, and life's daily stresses, we often don't get that thing going. So, are there ways we can try to set that positive vibe? Yes, especially if the day is not full of roughness and we feel we have some space left to welcome some sort of positivity. So, here's a mantra that I have for today's video. Today is a new opportunity. If we look at the nature of this mantra, it itself shows the nature of the day that we get to live in. Every morning we wake up, it's like a blessing to us because we are getting a new day, and this cannot be denied. So we can treat this mantra in a way that reminds us of our new opportunity. So we'll be discussing some steps that really helps you set your day with some positive vibe. Of course, again, terms and conditions applied only and only when the day is not full of roughness, when not a lot of bad things are going on into your life, and when you have when you realize that you have ample space for positivity to come in. Because when a lot of negative things happen, especially in my life, I really don't want to force positivity just to drive negativity out, because forcing things will make things more dangerous and bothersome. So it's better in those situations, being calm is way better than trying to fake positivity. Just something that I wanted to share. Anyway, let's get into the steps. Vibe setting start. We can set the vibe right with a small start, which can be one positive affirmation or just a few cleansing breaths or a guided meditation. Now you can find your own way of doing things. Maybe you like listening to some music, some pop music, or some peaceful, calm, mellow music. So it depends on your taste, it depends on your experience, your choice of positivity. But one small step in the first moment of the day can really be a game changer in terms of bringing up positivity. So find your positive choice and give it a go if the condition allows so. Second, gratitude journal. Now this is something I personally found to be really helpful, because when I genuinely see what are the things that I really have in my life, second, what are the things I am truly grateful for, or maybe I want to have in future, or which is coming into my life, or people who have been supportive, who have taught me things, and the challenges, life's failures who have taught me things. If I just note things down properly in a structured manner, I'll find I have so many things to be grateful for all around me. And this really works. It just sets up your vibe in a different way. And I feel that everyone should at least try journaling once, especially the gratitude journal. It really sets your energy in a different flow, and it's really peaceful. Third, body movement. It can be any type of movement. Maybe you like walking around, maybe you love some body weight workouts, yoga, or anything, any kind of movement that sets your vibe high or sets you in a good mood. So find your body movement, and it doesn't have to be a very long movement thing going on, like for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Be as comfortable as you are in a 10-minute move. So it depends on you, and timing is not as important as enjoying the process. So find your thing. Next comes soul lifting music. I've already mentioned music really works like a soothing remedy to a lot of us, like a remedy that's good for our mind, for our emotions, that really makes us feel rejuvenated. So this kind of vital choice can really make or break our day. Like, if we can choose something good as a good music, it really makes us feel happier. But again, there are sad music and stuff going on that can again set the vibe in a different way. But yes, you know what makes you feel happier when you listen to it. So have your favorite playlist handy and just give it a go. The needed mirror talk. Now, this may sound weird to some, but I have realized when I simply stand against the mirror, I look at myself and I just speak a few words that myself needs to listen to, it really makes me feel wonderful. I feel grounded, I feel worthy, and I feel that self-love that I deserve. So this is something you can try and see how it goes with you. Now it's time to choose your top 2 priorities for the day. You have set your mood right, you have set your vibe right. Now it's time for some work for a few things that really matter to you. And why this is important? When you set your priorities, not a lot of priorities, not a lot of goals I'm talking about here, but just one or two of these, one or two of the things that really matter to you, with one or two goals or small steps that you can take. So what happens when you complete them, you really get that satisfaction in your mind that, oh, I have completed, I have just ticked 1 goal and 2 goals and 3 goals. So it really makes you feel better. The more you achieve these goals, the better you feel upon completing them. So yes, this really helps. Now again, you have tasty and healthy breakfast option that you can choose depending on your situation, whatever is accessible in your condition, and try to just enjoy every bit of that. Sometimes have those tasty food that you really crave for, and just make it really enjoyable for you. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and let's continue getting better in terms of vibe, because that really makes us feel grounded, that really makes us feel happier, and we all deserve happiness no matter how many challenges we face. So coming up next, we will discuss how gratitude impacts our busy life and how we can use it to the fullest. So thank you so much, and let life shine bright.